Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 31st, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is either going to go up and make a running flat wave C or possibly an expanding flat wave C. Either way, it's not that big of a deal to know, I don't think, because of the running flat wave C would look like this and then turn down. An expanding flat wave C would look like this and then turn down. Either way scenario would lead to a pretty big uptrend, especially on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still believe this is the end of an ABC right here, the end of a wave 2. That would make this right here a part of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3. This to me looks like a WXY 2 of 3, and I still think this is very likely on these higher time frames to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, most likely all part of a wave 3 of that big running flat or that big expanding flat. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks to me like we had the end of a correction yesterday. Definitely looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. 61% Fibonacci bounce. Nice and impulsive move to the upside. Looks like a nice ABC correction, and based on the higher time frames, the trend is up. So I think that the odds are much, much better that these higher time frames will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this right here is the wave 5, so that makes this almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down wave A. I think that also makes this right here a nice little perfect 3 way pattern up, most likely a wave B. And this right here is most likely a downtrend for a wave C. Nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside right at a Fibonacci level is exactly what I look for entries to go long. 3 way pullbacks, engulfing, breaker structure, exactly what we need to see. Looks like the end of a correction. Looks like this most likely will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have some Euro CPI news coming out in a little while, but as of right now, it definitely looks like impulsive up wave 1. This right here looks like the end of a correction on the 4 hour. Looks like the end of a big ABC. This looks like a 1. This looks like a big ABC, most likely a wave 2. Didn't quite make it to the 61, but I would consider, especially the way this is looking, that it did respect the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Nice impulsive move up. Hopefully we're in a wave 3 now, and hopefully this is just going to keep on making those higher highs, higher lows. Me and probably most of the people in my membership are long on the euro dollar already from yesterday, because this was a trade that I did shout out to all my members at the time of entry. So I am long the euro dollar, I am holding my long, and I do expect that it's going to go up and take out the previous highs, and hopefully it's still all part of that big old wave 3 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website if you would like to get access to all my swing trade setups and my daily live streams. As always, thank you and happy trading.